Hey everyone, Jordan Ray here with another Google Apps Script coding demonstration. This one is suggested by my friend Gretchen. She's a teacher in Malaysia, I believe. I think she's in Malaysia. And her idea was that you can share, um, give everyone edit permissions until a specific date, and how you can trigger those permissions to change. So we're going to code that out today with this little, demo slide that I created. Since we can now go to add-ons, and we can have a script editor in Google Slides now. Let's get started. Okay, the first thing we're going to do inside our project, give it a name, save it, and remove the my function, and we're going to call this remove sharing. And in our remove sharing function, we got to do a couple of things. We're going to get the ID of our current slideshow, slide deck, whatever you call these things. So I'm slides app get active presentation get ID, and that'll save the ID, which is really just this string in the URL here, but it'll save that into the ID variable. Then we got to access the Drive app to grab the file. So we're going to declare another variable, file, and let's call it Drive app, and let's do get file by ID, and use that ID there. And we can actually look at a couple of things here. We can look at what the current permissions are. Let's just go to the logger, and we're going to log file.getSharingAccess. And let's log the permissions to get sharing permission. This will tell us two things. I should have set them up so that anyone with the link in my domain can edit these things. And let's see if that reflects that. Yes, domain with the link can edit. And we want this function to make it, so remove those editing permissions on a specific day. So to do that, we are going to just call that, access that file variable that we declared again. We're going to then set the sharing, and this takes two parameters, access type and permission type. And the way we access those is through the Drive app dot access dot let's do domain with the link, anyone in our domain with the link, and then we want to change the permission to view. And we do that Drive app dot permission dot view. Now we can, I'm going to remove these logs, we don't need those. And let's just run this one time, and we should see that permission go from edit to view. We can check that by going up here to sharing, get shareable link, and anyone at Jordan Ray, anyone in my trainer domain can view. Let's change it back to edit. Change it back to edit there. And we want this to run on a trigger. Well, we can programmatically go in and go into the trigger builder, but we just want this function to run at a specific time, and the project triggers right here, accessed with this little current project triggers. We're going to set one up. We want to run our remove sharing function. We want it to be time driven, and we want to do a specific date and time. Let's do 2017 10/31, and we'll do at midnight. Right, yeah, sure. Right at midnight on October 31st, Halloween. Let's go ahead and save that. And I cannot, it's only the 12th of October right now. I can't fast forward time to Halloween and show you that this trigger runs. But basically all it's going to do is, it's the same thing as just pressing the run button in your script editor. And once again, I'll show you what it does there. We've now changed it from edit to view again. And that is a simple way to change sharing permissions on a trigger. If you like this video or you have any other ideas for projects like this, projects with Google Apps Script, please like and subscribe and comment below. Let me know your ideas for how we can build these kind of educational tools. Stay tuned. If you are interested in Twitter, if you made it this far in the video and you are interested in Twitter, I'm going to be releasing a video about building a classroom Twitter account where we can tweet right from a spreadsheet created with Google Forms, and creating a classroom Twitter account that way. So if that interests you, please subscribe, and as always, keep making new things.